Attention all crafters! The new September to December mini catalog from Stampin' Up! Is here, and it's packed with gorgeous designer series paper options to take your projects to the next level. Today, we're highlighting just a few of the stunning paper collections available in this catalog. First up, we have A Walk in the Forest 12x12 designer series paper. This collection is perfect for all of your nature-themed projects, with patterns featuring woodland creatures, trees, and foliage. The earthy color scheme is warm and inviting, making it great for fall projects. Next, we have the All About Autumn 6x6 designer series paper. This collection is filled with autumn-inspired patterns such as pumpkins, leaves, and wood detailing. The smaller size makes it perfect for card making, but it's also great for adding accents to larger projects. For those of you who love a little bit of holiday cheer, check out the Berry Christmas 12x12 designer series paper. This collection is full of adorable polar bears and other Arctic animals, presents, and pine trees, all in classic Christmas colors. The patterns are playful and fun, making it great for winter crafting projects. If you're looking for a more elegant option, consider the Garden Walk 6x6 designer series paper. The delicate floral patterns and soft color palette make it perfect for wedding invitations, scrapbook pages, and other sophisticated projects. For a more bold and modern look, take a look at the 12x12 Merry, Bold, and Bright designer series paper. This collection features bold stripes, stars, and other graphic patterns in bright and cheerful colors. It's perfect for adding a pop of color to your projects. For those who love a bit of texture, check out the Oxidized Copper 12x12 designer series paper. This collection has a unique metallic finish that looks like weathered copper. It's great for adding a vintage or steampunk touch to your projects. Finally, we have the Shining Brightly 12x12 specialty paper. This collection is perfect for all of your holiday projects with patterns featuring snowflakes, stars, and other festive motifs. The shimmering silver and gold accents make it extra special. No matter what your crafting style or project needs are, the Stampin' Up! September to December mini catalog has a designer series paper collection that will suit you. Contact your demonstrator or visit stampinup.com to start creating.